You can build a working AI tool in a single day. Not a toy, something real you can actually use. Let me show you how, honestly, with no hype. Today we're building a text summarizer. Paste in a long article, get a clean 3-bullet summary back. It's simple, it's genuinely useful, and it teaches you the core pattern behind almost every AI tool. Here's the concrete first step you can follow right now. Open your terminal and create a new folder called Summarizer. Inside it, make one file named app.py. Then grab a free API key from an AI provider. Most give you a small free tier to start. In your file, you'll write about 15 lines. Import the client, paste your key, and send a request that says, summarize this text into 3 bullet points, followed by whatever the user pastes in. Run it, and you have a working tool. That's the whole secret. An AI tool is just 3 parts: an input, a prompt with clear instructions, and a place to show the output. Once you understand that pattern, you can build a resume checker, an email rewriter, a study notes generator. Same skeleton, different prompt. When it works locally, wrap it in a tiny web interface so anyone can use it in a browser. Free tools make this a copy-paste job. Now, about money, let me be straight. A tool like this won't make you rich. But people do pay small monthly fees for tools that save them time, and learning to build is a real skill you can charge for. No promises here, just a skill that compounds. So today, build the summarizer. Ship the ugly version. You'll learn more in one afternoon of building than a week of watching. If this helped, subscribe. We build something new every video.